Hi friends, it's Maya coming to you with another video, my friends, and I'm doing HelloFresh again, what's for dinner. And this week I'm going to show you, we got sear steaks and gremolata aioli, I think it's pronounced, and this is with charred corn and greens. This is what it looks like, my friends. I hope you guys can see because it's a little bit, yeah, that's what it looks like, my friends. Looks good. Salad and steak. And this is actually considered a premium meal. It says spicy and it's a 20 minutes meal. Ooh, I'm looking forward to that this week. And of course, hello gremolata. So they give there a little highlight, and it's a classic Italian sauce that's traditionally made with parsley and garlic. So that's going to be a little bit interesting. Nice taste. I like when my daughter cooks the steaks because she really does a good job on making steaks. So I'm looking forward to that. So that's meal one, and we're back again down to three meals a week again, my friends. And the steak is considered a premium meal, so it's a little bit more pricey. And then we have beef thyme meatballs with onion gravy, and it says smashed potatoes and green beans. Another lovely meal. I love my green beans, especially when they're nice and soft. And these are meatballs. And this is a 30 minutes meal, so it takes a little bit more time. And then they give a little bit of highlight down here again about the time and stuff. And I'm looking forward to this. Meal number 2. 30 minutes. And then the Mexican spice pork quesadillas. I love quesadillas, and I do have a recipe how to make quesadillas with spinach and all that loveliness and cheese, and make it 100% vegetarian, the ones that we make. I do have a recipe. I'll put a link below. And then of course this is Mexican spice pork quesadillas with tomato pepper salsa. I'm looking forward to this one as well, my friends, and this is going to take only 30 minutes. Talk about the sweet pepper a little bit. Yeah, nice little highlights. Sweet peppers, that's green peppers that's been left on the vine to ripe. Very cute. And this is what it looks like. And it tells you about the ingredients that they're using. And of course it's the steps. Allergies, if any. I'm looking forward to that, honestly. So these are the 3 meals that we are going to have for dinner this week. I hope you guys can see it because I'm getting a little bit of glare from the light. Okay, and my friends, this week, HelloFresh. You know how last week we got tea, and then we got some Bocal, I think it's called, drink for the immune system. And this week I want to show you what we got free from HelloFresh. So HelloFresh sent us this free this time. It's a Chadley's caramel apple slab pie. And let's see, it says to put in the freezer following cooking instruction. So we're gonna make actually this nice little dessert right now, so that you can see it. And oh, this is a nice little. It only takes 15 to 20 minutes to warm through. And you see, that's why I said to you, my friends, every once in a while HelloFresh sends us something to try. And this is their caramel apple slab pie, and I think it's just an apple pie wrapped up in a nice crust. Oh, that's what it looks like, my friends, with a little bit of sugar on top. So we're gonna try this right now. Let me see the ingredients that's in here. It has apples, wheat, yeah, sugar, ooh, right, cornstarch. But I guess it's an apple pie, and of course 300 calories in there. So we're gonna try and make this pie right now so we can taste it. And that's basically it for HelloFresh what's for dinner. Here's the apple slab. Oh, that looks good. That looks good, my friends. There it is, my friends. Looks pretty good. What does it taste like?
Tastes really good.
It just needs, like, I feel like I need a little bit of ice cream with this. What do you think?
Are you gonna eat this piece?
It's like a little apple pie, my friend. This is a nice addition to any Thanksgiving dinner.
I don't really taste the caramel though,
No, I don't either.
but it tastes good. And it's a nice little size
It's a nice size. Yeah.
that you can
This
get
is a
at
slab.
least 4.
I wonder how much
servings.
this is at HelloFresh.
Well, for the slab.
$2.99 for this slab. I think it's pretty good. It's light. It's not even really sweet.
No, it's not overly
Very
sweet.
tarty though.
Yeah, but you don't really taste the caramel.
No.
This would go good with a nice scoop of vanilla ice cream.
Yeah, I think so too.
Definitely.
I think so too. Wonderful, wonderful, my friends. And that's a part of what we're having today. Nice little taste test from HelloFresh. And this is their apple caramel slab. If you are wanting to know what to do for Thanksgiving, get this. And that's it, my friends. Thank you for watching. Let's go ahead and say it. This is my time, and I deserve something better.